What's up, guys? It's Zap TV with 3Ps. We got Maddie D and Dominic Ace up on this breezy today. Lovely Saturday. So we're just cruising, doing some cruising with the SCX24. We got the Deadbolt in the Jeep. Soon we're gonna get the C10 that just came out recently in the past few weeks. But we're just gonna do a little quick cruise around this Saturday. Check us out. If you guys like it, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell. You know what it is. Alright, watch us cruise. This is our course for today. Say what's up, dog. Yeah, let's get it. Can he make it through? Can he make it? Oh, he lands it. Alright, his life is over. That was the Jeep. I'm gonna try doing this one time, guys. That little hill here. Oh, conquers it. Oh. Gotta get used to the steering. It's pretty cold here today in Winnipeg. I think it's like minus 10 or 11, 12, 13. But the wind chill is probably like minus 20. Check this out, guys. Oh, it just conquers it. Oh. Yeah. Get it, yeah. You're out, Dom? Are you out? Okay, follow me. Let's go together. Come to the hill. I'll wait for you. Oh. Alright, guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. New video to come out soon, hopefully in the next week or so. Hopefully get the new C10 for my birthday. Hopefully Dom gets one too. Oh, let's try going up the other side. Oh. All right, guys. Peace out.